Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Yesterday there was an important announcement for the occupation ceilings list. So let me tell you what is occupation ceilings list. Occupation ceilings list is very important for migration program. So every year, every financial year, a new occupation ceilings list is released. Firstly, I will tell you what is the financial year so that you can have a better understanding to understand the information that I am providing you. So what is a financial year? So in Australia, financial year starts from 1st of July to 30th of June the next year. So for example, this financial year starts from 1st of July 2020 and it will end on 30th of June 2021. So what is occupation ceiling list actually? Occupation ceilings list reflects the number of invitations that can be issued for a particular occupation group in a particular financial year or migration year. So it has a very important significance. So specifically for subclass 189 and 491 visa. So this occupation ceilings list plays a very important role for the number of invitations that can be issued for 189 and 491 family sponsored visas. It is how it is released. So it is based on the figures that are provided by the Department of Employment. So according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics. So now I will give you an example. For example, last financial year there were 2,746 places that were available for the accountants. And this particular financial year, there are only 1,000 places that are available for accountants. So that's how we know, which occupation is in demand or is in shortage in Australia. So this occupation ceilings list is very vast, but I have written few occupations that are important and I have just put them here and done a comparison with the previous financial year and this particular financial year. As I already said, the accountants, the number of places have decreased. So everyone knows the accountant places have been decreasing from number of financial years. So the graph is going down. So right now there are only 1,000 places that are available for the full financial year. And it doesn't include just 189, 491. It has other visa categories as well. So particularly for accountants. So there are very less places that are available for accountants. So the next occupations that are called pro rata occupations and are very important occupations: auditors, electronics engineers, mechanical and production engineers, other engineering professionals, ICT business system analyst, software and application programmer, computer network professionals. So there are some accounting, engineering and IT occupations. So there is, as compared to accountants, so because there was a significant drop in the number of places available, so this is the only occupation in which the places were reduced significantly. So the rest of the occupations, as you can see, so there is a little bit of drop in the number of places available, but it is not very significant if you look up to here. In fact, one of the engineering occupation, which is pro rata, the number of places were increased from 1,600 to 2,682, which is a good news for mechanical engineers. So I have done a comparison of few other non-pro rata occupations. So these were the pro rata and these are the non-pro rata occupations, but I have done comparison for only few which are popular: motor mechanics, carpenters, painters, chefs. As you can see, there is a little bit of drop in the number of places available, but it is not very significant. So that means these places are still in demand. So as you know, occupation ceilings list, as I already told you, it is released every financial year. So this year the things are a little bit different due to COVID. So the department has started giving invitations. The July invitation rounds are already out. So they have given invitations, but only to critical sectors. So here I have made a list of the critical sectors, because we were getting lots of questions. So what is critical sector? Am I going to get an invitation or not? So these are the critical sectors that I have grouped into engineers, scientists, medical professionals, and other draft person and technicians. So these are the occupations that have got invitations so far in July and even August invitation rounds. So which categories are included in engineers? Mostly all the engineering occupations have got invitations. Telecommunication, chemical, civil, electrical, mechanical, mining, and other engineering professionals. In scientists, agricultural, chemists, life scientists. Medical professionals. So significant number of invitations were given to registered nurses and the other medical professionals like midwives, physiotherapists, GPs, psychologists. They have also got invitations. And last but not the least, draft persons and technicians, civil, electrical, and telecommunications technical specialists. So they are the critical sectors that has got invitations already. So in this video, I have tried to explain you about the occupation ceilings list, and we will be posting the full occupation ceiling list on our Facebook page so that you can have a look how many places are available for a particular occupation group, because it's not possible to put all the occupations on the board. The next video, because as I explained in my last video that the states will be opening soon for critical sector. So this information will be important for the next video whenever the states will be opening. For now, that's it. Have a good day. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.